Deep inside the jungle, a 1989 Jeep Wrangler YJ sat forgotten by time, buried under nature's endless grip. Beneath the rust, beneath the dirt, the soul of this Jeep was still alive. For years, nature claimed every inch of this legendary Wrangler. What waited under the hood would decide whether this Jeep lived again. Others saw junk, but we saw a legend ready to rise again. After decades of silence, the first chain of hope was finally attached. The earth refused to let go, but we pulled with everything we had. Every wheel was trapped. Every inch forward felt impossible. And then in one powerful moment, the legend broke free. For the first time in years, this Jeep finally left its jungle grave. The jungle journey was over. Now the real transformation could begin. Most people saw nothing but rust, metal, and forgotten memories. Every panel told a story. Every scar showed years of survival. Under the hood, the heart of this Jeep looked completely lifeless. Others called it junk, but we saw a legend waiting to rise. Years of dirt, years of silence, washed away in powerful seconds. Layer by layer, the true shape of this Wrangler returned. Inside the cabin, decades of neglect began to disappear. Every damaged piece had to come out before new life could begin. Beneath the dirt and rust, the real Jeep finally stood exposed. The heart of this Wrangler was coming apart, piece by piece. Every broken part told the story of years without a single heartbeat. Old metal was gone, and new power began taking its place. New wires, fresh oil, the lifelines of a machine reborn. After decades of silence, it was finally time to wake the beast. Every dent, every scar was slowly erased by skilled hands. Under layers of damage, perfection was waiting to be uncovered. Before the shine, every surface needed a flawless foundation. Deep gloss black, bold, timeless, and built to command attention. From rust and ruin, the legendary Wrangler finally began to shine again. Now, it wasn't just about fixing, it was about upgrading every detail. New leather, new comfort, a completely different experience inside. Soft lights replaced darkness, turning the cabin into pure luxury. Every control, every touch point, rebuilt for precision and power. What was once broken is now a masterpiece of comfort and design. Strong wheels, ready to carry a legend back to life. Every stop, every movement, tested with absolute precision. Power alone isn't enough, it must be perfectly tuned. Every inch polished until it reflected perfection itself. After everything, it was finally ready to come alive again. One simple turn and everything was about to change. Total silence, everyone waiting for the moment of truth. And then, after years of silence, it finally woke up. A deep roar filled the room. The beast had returned. What was once dead now roared back to life. After endless nights of rebuilding, the moment of truth had arrived. Every angle, every detail, now speaks perfection. The jungle survivor now rules the open road. No one believed it was possible until they saw it.